So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use currency calculator in your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your computer, and after that you guys will need to come on the top right corner here. Now select your name and after that select account settings. Now scroll down to your left and you guys can see this option called money, banks and cards. Now select on this and now scroll down on your right. Then you guys can see this category called currency management, and under this category you guys can see this option called currency calculator. Now select on this. So now guys, here you guys can select any two currencies and use the currency calculator, and after seeing the gap then you guys just need to select on this done button right here like this. So that's how you guys can use currency calculator in your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.